$9, $5, $6, $7 over and over again. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to be talking about one of my favorite method to make money online by just copy paste work. You have no experience, no expertise, and you don't have any type of skill, but you want to make some money with your job as a side income. So this video is just for you. Stay tuned with me, watch this video till end. If you are new on this channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, get the all notification from this YouTube channel. So let's begin. This is a link shortener website with the highest payout rates overall the worldwide. How to use URL shorteners for marketing. You can use short links for marketing to get better results in comparison to normal links. You can share them on social media websites and other websites to get more clicks from your potential customers. Also, you can reply to your audience in the comments, and if they ask for a link to visit a particular page, then you can use short link to gain more trust, because short links seem more trusted instead of difficult long links. And the best thing is that you can earn money through these links if you use the highest paying URL shorteners. Simply you can shorten your link and share with your trusted audience, and if they click on it, you will earn money from these URL shorteners. How to make money with URL shorteners? There are so many link shorteners that allow you to create an account on their website for free, and after that you can make shorten links by using their tools. When you share those short links with your audience, and if they click on those short links, you will get paid. This is a great way to monetize your traffic. Basically, the link shortener websites send the user to the destination website after clicking short links, and while users are on the short link pages, they are shown ads for that traffic before proceeding to the final page. After that, revenue will be shared with users on CPM basis. CPM rates can be found on URL shortener website. If you are interested to work on this website, click in the description below, click on this link, and you will be redirected on this website. Just create an account. How to create an account on this website? Click on the register tab, fill this form, put your username, email address, password, and re-enter password, and fill this captcha and agree the terms and conditions of this website. I have already an account on this website. This is the main interface dashboard of this website, and how you can work on this website. Let's suppose I want to share my YouTube video with my audience. Let's go on YouTube, type here which you want to share with your audience. Let's suppose I want to share this video with my audience. Select the video, copy the link address of this video, and go on this website. Click on the new shorten link, URL paste here, which you can copy from YouTube, and click on shorten. This is your short link. Now you can share this short link with your audience on Facebook, Instagram, or on any other social platforms which exist on the market. And on every click you can get paid from this website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, and share. If you are new on this channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, get the instant notification from this YouTube channel. We will discuss about in our next video how you can get free traffic on your website or short links for getting more views or earn more money on every single month. So kindly request you subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, get the instant notification from my YouTube channel. We will meet in our next video. Until goodbye.